Hi, this is Cliff from Seminole with another English tip. We don't normally say no when we're talking about places in English. I might ask you, do you know New York? And you say yes. That doesn't mean that you have physically entered New York. In English, we normally use the word go to talk about our knowledge of a place. If I've physically been there, I'm going to say, I've been to New York. This is a special use of the word go, and the past participle is the past participle of the verb be in this case. But believe me, this I've been there is a conjugation of the verb go, talking about geography. Don't say, I know Paris. Say, I've been to Paris. And definitely don't say, have you ever met Paris? Met is for encountering people. Thanks. See you next time.